Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Roblox application is not launching on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to completely close Roblox, any Roblox processes in the task manager. So in the Windows search bar, type task manager, click on that under the best match. Now maximize the task manager window. So here you just need to type Roblox. Then you'll find this Roblox game client or the Roblox player. Make a right click, select end task. And once done, close this. Then try to launch Roblox after that. Then locate your Roblox player desktop icon, make a right click, select show more options, click on properties. Now the properties window will appear, which has the general shortcut compatibility and the digital signatures tab. Go to the compatibility tab. Again, go to the compatibility tab, and here you'll find this option, disable full screen optimizations, run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. And after that, launch the application, and if it is launching, well good, but if not, move to the next method. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Then here, simply search for Roblox. Click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. So you have to do this for all the Roblox player that you have on your Windows. Click on the three dots, select uninstall, and uninstall once again. Now once done, just go ahead in the Windows search bar and type store. Click on the Microsoft Store. Then here you need to simply type Roblox. Hit enter. And you'll find the first option. Now simply click on the get button. So you just need to wait for that to be downloaded and installed into your Windows. So anyway, once this is downloaded and done installed into your Windows, and you can just simply access into the Roblox. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.